Most tech professionals rely on a single income source, usually their salary. While this feels stable, it creates hidden risk. In a fast-changing tech industry, skills evolve, roles disappear, and companies restructure. When all your income depends on one employer, your financial security depends on decisions you do not control. The real goal is creating multiple income streams does not mean working longer hours or running multiple jobs at the same time. The real objective is leverage. It is about using the same skills, experience, and judgment in more than one way so that income is not tied only to your time. This is not hustle culture. This is long-term career resilience. Income Stream 1. Active income. The first income stream for most professionals is active income. This is your primary job, where you exchange time, skills, and responsibility for a salary. Active income is important because it builds credibility, domain expertise, and real-world experience. However, active income has a natural ceiling. No matter how skilled you become, your time limits how much you can earn through a single role. Income Stream 2 is skill-based leverage. The second layer of income comes from extending the same skills beyond your main job. This is where many tech professionals leave value on the table. Skill-based income includes consulting, advisory work, system or architecture reviews, and short-term problem-solving engagements. These opportunities reuse existing knowledge instead of requiring you to start from zero, which makes them far more efficient than traditional side hustles. Income Stream 3 is asset-based income. The final layer is asset-based income. This category grows more slowly but offers the highest stability. Asset-based income includes long-term investments, equity, revenue-generating products, or ownership in platforms and businesses. This stream does not depend on daily effort, but it requires patience, discipline, and consistency. Common mistake to avoid is chasing random side hustles that are unrelated to your core expertise. Jumping between new platforms, trends, or skills every few months spreads focus and prevents compounding. The goal is not more activity. The goal is better alignment. The smarter strategy. The most effective approach is to stack multiple income streams around one strong core skill. When your job builds expertise, expertise builds visibility, visibility creates opportunities, and opportunities turn into assets. Income begins to compound naturally. Each stream reinforces the others instead of competing for time. What this is really about, this is not about becoming an entrepreneur overnight. It is about reducing dependency on a single income source and increasing long-term flexibility. The most successful tech professionals are not the busiest, they are the ones who build systems that continue to work even when they stop. Instead of asking, what side hustle should I start? A better question is, how can I reuse what I already know to create leverage? That shift in thinking changes how you approach income permanently. At Uplatz, we focus on helping tech professionals turn skills into systems and systems into sustainable career growth, because real security comes from leverage, not exhaustion.